hello friends and welcome back. Today we are going to continue physics derived second equation, and that is S is equals to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. In the first part of derive, I derived first equation v is equal to u plus 80 v is equals to u plus 80. That equation was derived. So now we are going to derive s is equals to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So how to derive this equation? So before starting, I would like to tell that if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it, and if you like my videos, then press the like button. So now moving forward, this is the same graph from the first equations derived, and we have to use this graph itself for all the three equations to get derived. So first one is already done, and we came that BD is equal to 80. By doing the first one, we came at this final answer that BD is equals to 80. So now this is going to help us solve this equation. So now we are going to do this, how to derive this here. So first, S is distance. S is distance. So distance here is equals to area of trapezium. This is a trapezium. See, ABCNO. ABCO is a trapezium, and distance S is equals to distance. Here distance is equals to area of trapezium. So now area of trapezium we have to find. So what is area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is equals to, area of trapezium is equals to area of rectangle plus, this is a rectangle not a square, area of triangle. So area of trapezium is equal to area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So we have to find area of rectangle and we have to find area of triangle. So what will be area of rectangle? Let's first find area of a rectangle, and that is equal to L into B. So what is the length and the breadth here? What is the length and the breadth here? See, ABCO is a parallelogram. ABCO is a parallelogram. So here we are going to take length and breadth. This is the length, this will be the breadth. AO into OC. So now here AO is U and OC is T, UT. This is our first equation. This is our first equation. Remember, to derive any equation, you have to get two semi-equations in it, and we have got our first one. So now let's find the second one. First one is, see, let me write here, area of rectangle is UT. This is our first one. Now here we will remove this. This is a, now we will find area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So here 1 upon 2 will remain as it is. So now base here is this and height is this. So base is AD into height BD. So now BD is equals to 80. We got this answer by doing the first derive. Remember, whenever you are asked to derive all the three equations, you have to start from V is equals to U plus 80, then this one, and then the last one V is equals to S is equals to V square minus U square. So these are the three equations and you have to derive them. If you have given question, then you will have to start from the first one or your answers will be wrong. So now here AD is OC time, because of it is a rectangle and opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So here I will write 1 upon 2, this is time, so T. Here I will write T and BD is equals to 80. So into T into 80. So this answer will be 1 upon 2 a T square. There are two T's, so there will be T square. So this is our second equation now. Let me write here, area of triangle is equals to 1 upon 2 a T square. Now the final step of this equations derived, and yeah, that is we will write from 1 and 2, and then we will write here S means distance is equal to area of trapezium, and area of trapezium is ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. That is area of triangle plus area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So area of triangle is ut and area of rectangle is 1 upon 2 at square. So ut plus 1 upon 2 at square is area of trapezium. So here we will write S is equals to area of rectangle plus area of triangle, and that is S is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So this is our final answer derived. This equation is derived right here. See, S is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square.